Welcome back to Product Critique, where we explore the best products for you. In today's video, we're diving into what I believe is the best whole clove tea on the market, true organic Ceylon Cloves Whole. If you're a fan of flavorful teas with a little spice, this one is a must-try. But what makes these cloves so special? Let's find out. True organic Ceylon Cloves are USDA organic certified, which means you're getting pure, natural ingredients that haven't been exposed to harmful chemicals or pesticides. These cloves are grown in Sri Lanka, the heart of Ceylon cloves, known for their exceptional flavor and aroma. Unlike other cloves, Ceylon cloves are prized for their mild, sweet fragrance, which makes them ideal for brewing a soothing, aromatic tea. The product comes in a 3.5-ounce package, which might seem small, but a little goes a long way. Since cloves have such a strong, potent flavor, just a few pieces in your tea can transform it into something truly special. Not only that, but these cloves are non-GMO and kosher certified, so you're getting a product that meets high standards for quality and purity. When you brew a cup of clove tea with true organic Ceylon cloves, you'll notice the smooth, rich taste with just the right amount of spice. Ceylon cloves are known for being less bitter than other varieties, so the flavor is much more pleasant and balanced. Plus, cloves are packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals, so sipping this tea is not just delicious, but it can also provide you with some health benefits. Clove tea is known for its warming properties, making it the perfect drink for chilly mornings or when you need to unwind after a long day. It's also great for digestion and can help relieve discomfort from bloating or indigestion. Many people use clove tea for its soothing effects on the throat as well, especially during cold and flu season. What sets true organic Ceylon cloves apart from other cloves on the market is the quality. These are whole, fresh cloves, which means you're getting the best flavor and potency. Pre-ground cloves often lose their aromatic oils and flavor over time, but with whole cloves, you get a much fresher, more vibrant taste. Plus, the freshness of these cloves makes them incredibly versatile for cooking as well, whether you're making a savory dish or baking something sweet. So, if you're looking for the perfect whole cloves to make a truly great clove tea, true organic Ceylon Cloves Whole is the way to go. You're not just buying a product. You're getting a taste of premium quality, organic, and fresh Ceylon cloves. Whether you're brewing a relaxing tea or adding flavor to your cooking, this product is a winner. That wraps up today's review of true organic Ceylon Cloves Whole. Be sure to check out the link in the description to get your own pack. And don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews. See you in the next video.